Just waiting for us to do our last service of the year of 2026, going into 2000. I'm sorry, just waiting for our service to start to end the year of 2025, going into the 2000 year of 26. As you can see, we're just waiting for everyone to start our service. I hope everyone had a good time in 2025, and we're really looking forward into having a great one in 2026. Happy New Year to all of you, and we will see you in next year. Alright, peace out. Mommy, did you want to say something? Huh? You want to say your last word for 2026? I mean 2025? No?
Happy New Year.
Okay. We'll get more interview after church. Because, we're going to eat after. So. Is it already 12? I guess we'll just say Happy New Year. We'll just say Happy New Year. Hello, Happy New Year. Yep. 2 years ago or 1 year ago, we were doing the same thing. We're on in the circle. Now we're doing it again. Big circle. Big circle. The circle of Nuff. The circle of Nuff. The Nuff of God. This is the circle of love. Amen. All right, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. New Year. Happy New Year. Very welcome. Yep. 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 Happy New Year, Sobore. Happy New Year, September. Happy New Year, September. Oops. Happy New Year, September. Meneer Sebet. Meneer. Happy New Year. Oh, whoa. Where's my hug? Hey, where's my hug? It's too short. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Hello, everybody.
Happy New Year. Meneer Sebet. Meneer Sebet. Meneer Sebet. Meneer. Meneer Sebet. Meneer. Meneer. Happy New Year. Dear Grandma. Oh, semua kampung ini dekat. New Year, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Sebet. New Year, Sebet. New Year. Can I see you? Happy New Year? Did I say Happy New Year? Happy New Year, baby. Happy New Year, baby. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Oh, that's my favorite part of the day. We go eat. Okay. Oh, who's that?
Say Happy New Year.
Happy
Who are those? Happy New Year, Happy
Mom
New
and
Year.
Lorraine.
What
Oh,
is that?
oh wait, you're gonna break it.
I see.
All right, time to go eat. Come on, people. Time to go eat. Yes. Time to go get some food from 2026. Boys, let's go. Let's go eat. Now it's time for the midnight snack. These are the midnight snacks for tonight. Oh, look at that. There's rice. There's what's this? Material metro.
And then support corn and support and then support iki gamit
Supurit and then musupi.
sushi sushi.
Okay. We're starting off the New Year strong with some sugar. Lots of sugar. Huh? Try to go around and get everybody to say their greetings to everybody this New Year's of 2026. All right, hang on tight.
Para cakap forget KBC. Happy New Year.
Ikarai, ye pare furu sa me para ketchelai ka furu ya babar. Meri furu. Ats kapong ngeri gebi. Happy New Year ngeri gebi John. Viewers medicine. One fidito.
All right. Happy New Year. Para kapungir kayo may shit, chakaton.
Thank you.
Happy New Year from us.
Happy New Year. Okoro. Kiso yeri kotren at marami patsakun.
Thank you. Yeah, si Pagari, let's get Katiboro. Let's get grandma. Yeah, so what's our sabi kapo? Let's na bike.
Kapung ngeri kebi.
So, ende. Hey, pasti rin bike.
Foku kiso tapur nirikot pa para buti hats bara berisi torri kare kiriso. Happy New Year par geri kebi berisi.
So. Sabi kapo.
Ang kapwa ngani kami san katal pal atskriso ngani kot pusatori year mife pal Happy New Year ami mensin.
So, yeah.
Happy New Year.
Grazie. Okay, Happy New Year. Ya, Pak Grandma, para pesawat kapo.
Happy New Year. Geri kebi berisi tor. Efendi kitsire kator par Happy New Year geri de yar ver binek te honor.
Looks like everybody's getting their food. So, iba para susunga ora tekia. Apa sa kapo?
Para Happy New Year gari chakator very sit yakyawin very chotsu para to par Happy New Year no tiramuire year vi first pero patorong eso
Nggak, pat kapungan ay year mi pangani narkadol. Yasa ngani gotaran ngatar mensin. Nggak.
Siga para pesawat kapo. Nagani rin sa video.
Kapo. Happy New Year kay kebi berisi.
Si kapo.
Mali juga habis speech. Happy New Year.
Here, for Happy New Year, Mary. Happy chocolate, medicine. All right, we're gonna go say hi to everyone. No, I want real food. Would you like to say something?
Year.
Don't you turn away yourself from 2026?
Happy New Year.
Thank you. Yugi. We have a special guest for the night. We're gonna have to ask this young lady to say something.
Happy New Year ngeri kei verisit. Tuan katot kiri ngeri kotren. Ngats marawats but a good ngikits me pator ngeri vira for year 2026. Peace.
I just need one person to represent this table because I gotta go and I need to eat.
What? What do we say? Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are here in the new year. We are here with Rinway, came from Chuuk. Mars came from his house. And Emilio come from work. Woohoo, Amazon! Sponsor us, Amazon. So, and here's Ekis. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's, everyone. Like and subscribe.
I like that. Thank you very much for your time. Do you want to say something?
Happy New Year. I'm Merisit. Para arts kirisau, para arts mari tikot. Then arts story para year. Rungarek, ruemoru. Happy New Year, Sabah.
Thank you very much. Sabi ka po. Sabi ka po. Yeah, 2026.
Ilaristar po siya.
Sigari pa.
Dinay na, fast enough.
Okay? Happy New Year, Abby. Medicine. Şimdi Abby Cheper geri kei medicine.
So para pasok ka po. Ha? Pasok ka po.
Kasi cepat. Happy New Year verisit, kids verisit. Kiriso gari kot kere vara pecah. Kiriso.
So, you want to say something?
Sure. Happy New Year's. New Year's, right? Yeah, Happy New Year's, and I'm very grateful to be
Actually,
here.
it's Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
It is Christmas. It's not New Year's. I'm kidding, of course.
Okay. But yeah, I'm very grateful to be here and blessed for the food. Thank you.
Para pasok ka po.
Or Happy New Year. Happy very soon. Kirisau remaral pacakil.
So, pasok ka po. Pasok ka po. Sa tawar po pila. Apnak ka po.
Ako nga ni kami. Yami. Totolan e year ni. Alkapong. Nga ni kami sa.
So, Nanto, you want to say something on behalf of your family?
Hello.
Okay. Uh-oh. Here he comes in the corner. All right. Well, I guess it's time for me to take a break because I need to take my food. And then we shall continue on because these guys are taking over and I was supposed to take over the food committee, but... What, you guys want to say something?
There's a camera. Happy New Year's, guys. Thanks to God for another year. Amen. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
I just want to say Happy New Year's to everyone watching. You know, thank God for everything. You guys be safe. Wish nothing but blessings. Yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. All right, I'm really gonna eat. All right, bye-bye. We're gonna do start off the year with some lucky numbers drawings from our program. So I guess I'm starting. Sabo mo take it. Ay, oh. Oh. Yeah. Ha? Yeah, pupunta na ako sili. Oh, that's close. 634-245. Close, but not too close. I missed by 200 numbers. Ari reception rin na 2026. Search rin na 2026. Huh? Tori. Hey, one sack of rice. Woo. Babe threw away all the tickets. So now he's salvaging from the garbage. Look. He's getting them out from the trash.
Laka. Nah, iwe, cecawin dari. Ya ruwet. Jaga pati pokok ceki kami pun. Ayo cecawin dari. Ya ruwet price. Bisa ini. Chris. It's a blanket. A shampoo. Pas shampoo. Abu poner bisik. Para abu pocek. Hey. Gitu. Ticket 634-285. Habis si pote araw ini. Para price, yung rubber phone, shampoo, pas shampoo be udugat. Sabar itu. Cecek. Nambah 632 634-250. Abhishek. Pwede price. Hey, Pasigit. Raven. Shampoo check wasanan. Hey, Abhishek. Pwede price. Chuukese. Shampoo running. Shampoo. Sabar itu, kalau itu tak cara ceben. Hah? Number 634-305. 305. Hey, Chuukese shampoo running. Lagi surfing. Berseriawin deh. By price. Raven shampoo. Nah. Paling, ya, persen. Gimana pokatan dari karamba? 634-279. 279. 279. Abhishek. Yeah, paling price. Sewa stes. Kekut. Masawan perkoruk shampoo. Ne. Raven. Next round nih. Paling price. Per Raven shampoo. Apapun Abhishek. Ne. 314. Abhishek. Betul, par asik karai kan? Sabaran karya, jai ramen, masih betul pergi shampoo beri betul ya. Pas shampoo cek, ya cen. Kubut tirum na. Ada perkataan dari kara 634-312. 634-312. That's it. 312. 634-312. Abhishek. Awes sare posa bocebu. Awes aci isai. Sego price para Raven. It's a parangkit. Kira pas saya gori rektif pakai puputan. Awit. Iwe rampa 634-233. Girisong. Oh, iwe. Gift card, Mictano. 25. Supaya paritut. Ada perkataan dari kara 634-288. $634,288. Yes. 288. Nga. What? That's it. Happy Shay.
One more.
Getting.
Gift card, $50.
Shaigo para gift card. Ni becara. Perkataan dari kara. Kecil. Yetce. Shaigo. Dibe. Yeah, ada perkataan. 634-284 245 634-245. Yeah. Yay! Gift card, gift card. Hey, people.
Woo! Look at that, man! I did the last one. Huh? I did the last pick, and then bam! I won a $50 gift card. Thank you very much, 2026. Thank you.
It's gonna be a good year for you.
Yes, it's gonna be a very good.
Yeah.
Ooh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Once again, Visa $50. Thank you. All right, I think I'm gonna wrap up the video today. Thank you guys. Happy New Year's. Hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's celebration. And we shall see you guys on the next video. Peace out. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the merch. And then I'll see you guys. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.